Step 1. Go to the website. Step 2. Just download an application from that page and install it. Step 3. Now you can earn hundreds of dollars by completing simple tasks. Hello, today in this video, I will show you how to earn free PayPal money using 3 websites. Before going to the tutorial, subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notifications. And don't forget, I'll be giving special bonus tips that will allow you to earn double or even triple more money compared to other people. So make sure to stick around and keep watching all the way until the end. Now let us get started. The first website is Appkarma, and I'm currently on their official website, appkarma.io. The first thing to note about Appkarma is that it's accessible for both iOS and Android. And I'll show you the app on Google Play in a moment. As you can see to the right, Appkarma will pay you for installing various apps. And when you do so, you will receive points. The number of points you gain depends on the app you install. Some pay more while others pay less. But in any event, those points can be exchanged for money. They provide PayPal, as well as top-branded gift cards such as Amazon. I didn't see any other payment alternatives. So if you live somewhere where PayPal isn't available, stay tuned because I have many apps to show you that offer far more payment options. Now there's one aspect that I think is incredibly cool, even if it isn't game-changing, is that they'll pay you 300 points for just installing the app. As I previously stated, it is not particularly noteworthy. But it is a useful function that I thought was worth highlighting something else that is far more important. As you can see, we're focusing on getting paid by installing apps in this video. But Appkarma actually has a very good referral system, which is why I'm mentioning it. As you can see, they'll pay you 30% of what your referrals earn, which is some of the highest commissions I've seen for a make money app like this. And this is why it's not a bad idea to try and promote it before going to the second website. The second app is called Getpaidto.com, which is great for those of you who don't have access to PayPal. But before I show you how to use it, let me first go over what you can do to get paid in the first place. As you can see, you can fill out surveys, play games, which is exactly what we want, do tasks for easy points. And finally, complete online offers. Of all of them, playing and installing games is arguably the best and easiest, as well as the most fun. Down here, you will be able to see how does this work. You'll obviously first play and install the apps. You will then collect your points. And by the way, they also tell you how many points equals how many dollars. So 5,000 points is $1. Anyhow, once you accumulate a few 1,000 points, you can exchange them for money to get paid. And speaking of, let me cover that now since I did mention it a while back. If you come near the very bottom of the page, you will see that this platform, unlike the previous one, offers far more payment options. You can get paid through bank transfer, Skrill, any cryptocurrencies you want, whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, and so on. They offer Amazon gift cards. And they of course also offer PayPal. All in all, they do offer many different ways for you to get paid. And that's a really good feature of this platform. Now to get started making money playing games, what you need to do is come back up, and then you want to click on Join Free Today. Right here on the next page, just enter in your username, password, your email address, your full name, date of birth, your country. And by the way, take a look at this, guys. This site works in all of these different countries. It's safe to say it's near worldwide available. In any case, to finish the registration process, just enter in your city and CIP code, tick this box to agree to their terms, complete the CAPTCHA, and click on Complete Registration down below. The last platform I'll cover today, which is also a bonus platform for those of you who have stayed up until now, is called Pluggo.in. Now, right off the bat, I want to make it clear that this site does not pay you to download games. So let's get that out of the way. But I would still recommend you giving it a shot because, as you can see, people are making a lot of money with it. In fact, this person alone made $200. The way it works is that you will be paid for marketing apps rather than installing them. And you will be rewarded anytime someone installs an app through your link. As simple as that. It's a really good idea to combine this app with the others to get paid passively. Because all you basically have to do is promote an app on your social media and your work from there is done. This is how you make money from this website. I hope you get some value out of this video. Make sure subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. See you in the next video.